Good friends, customers, it's never too late to protect the surface of your car from rock chips. Whether it's 5,000 miles in, 50,000 miles in, or straight from the dealership, it's never too soon or too late to get protection on there. We use paint protection film for rock chips, and we're going to do the whole front clip here and some custom pieces towards the back and the A-pillars as well. Now, since the vehicle already has 5,000 miles on it, it does have some wear and tear already, and that's because of the soft clear that is transitioning from solvent-based to water-based. Very important to get protection on there from rock chips. He felt a little bit of uneven and some bumps and bruises here and there, so he used a clay bar, and now he's following up with a panel prep, and that was even after the wash and full decon process. Welcome back, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Yeah, I wanted to get a video out to show that it's never too late to protect and stop rock chips in their place. And it's never too late for coating either. Paint correction, filling in rock chips, laying down that protection, and stopping it from going any further. Now, because it does have some wear and tear, some mileage on it already, you do want to open the hood. We do a wraparound, a custom hood bulk install. We don't use patterns for some of the larger panels. For some of the more intricate designs like headlights and trim, sure, we'll use the plotter. But you want to clean not only just the surface with everything buttoned up, you want to open up the doors, you want to open up the hood, and you want to clean thoroughly all the way wrapped around and underneath. Once that's done, it's finally time to lay down some film. Now with this hood, because it's kind of concaved and the high spots are towards the edges, difficulties up there, maybe a 7 or an 8. And you want to start out towards those edges then and work your way in. Each installer has their own technique for that, but you do want to pull and stretch the film in those valleys first. And as you can see, he has a nice clean install of that hood laid down, especially in those curvy areas towards the end or the edge of the hood. From there, he just needs to do a little bit of trimming, wrap the edges around and underneath the hood, let it dry out a bit, and then come in and do some finishing touches. And then finish with the install. The entire front clip will be protected, and that includes the fenders, the headlights, parts in and around the grille area if that's what the customer chose. And there will be some custom pieces back towards the rear quarter panel where this roof lifts off and can be set back on quite easily. However, one wrong move and you can get a scratch in those areas. So we're going to do some custom pieces. Headlight areas such as this can be a one piece, it can be multiple pieces. You can do it bulk, you can do it custom, or you can use a pattern. The A-pillars, which run up on either side of the windshield, can get a direct hit too, especially on these and the Jeeps, and the A-pillars that practically stand straight up. And then back here on the quarter panel I just mentioned, that's going to be a custom piece that we would just use some leftover pieces or even just custom cut some film and make it fit wherever the customer wants it. Some of those custom pieces can go in the sills, the doors, so your feet don't drag and scuff the paint there, or loading areas towards the back of the vehicle where you go in the hatch or the trunk. We can customize a piece for any area. Now, you could just get protection in the form of film, paint protection film, or you can team it up with a coating. Our Polysilazane coating is a great teammate for film. The film will always be laid down first, and then the coating on top. let them both cure and dry out, and you have a protected surface that will not take the beating that it was the first few thousand miles. So once again, never too soon or too late to protect your precious ride. Contact us, Apex Auto Detail, Wernersville, PA.